Glider. He's still not attacking, which is good for us. Yeah, let's see here. I'm going to shrink his glider. I think I could take out the Blackleaf Goblin, but when I do that, I want to know that I kill or I get rid of the Mimic Vat as well. No, I don't want to use that. Okay. And now he starts to beat down with my Kamba Sky Gods as well. This is really going down the drain. Bad draws and not the explosiveness that I expected from my deck is totally lacking. And this time he's got some of the cards aren't really great, but with the Mimic Vat, even bad cards become truly annoying. Strider Harness. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to take 2 damage here because I really want to kill the goblin. The question is, it's too late now. I should have animated my Glintalk to do it. That would have been much better. My guess is that he'll go for Blackleaf Goblin on his Mimic Vat. Oh, revoke, that's great. Now at least I get rid of that annoying thing. It's fine, you can have that token. It doesn't do anything. I can't do much else this time. He's the one who's got creatures on the board. Next turn I can start with strange shenanigans like animate Glintalk, equip, bash, and have it back on defense as well. Yeah, we're taking the damage. Yeah. That flyer is getting larger. Now that was our second blue at least. Let's see now. We can shrink that, kill that, and only have the clone shell. I think that's the plan. Yeah. Let's see what he attacks with. It's everything. We do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This guy. Okay. Animate. Okay. Sky God. Perfect. Okay. I'll equip as well. This way I can kill whichever creature I want to. And also, he can't move the Strider harness from his Snapsail glider because then it dies. Does he have an artifact? He does. Well, I don't really know what I want to draw this turn. I want to draw an island so that I can disperse and stoic rebuttal. I'm running really low on. Hello. Okay, it got jammed here. I don't want to. No. What? This creature hasn't got protection. I can block it. Okay, he doesn't attack with it. That explains the thing. I'm not blocking this turn for obvious reasons. Island. Trinket Mage. So I go to 8 poison next turn. Possibly. Okay. Yes. I play it, but I won't equip it until after next turn. That way I can both bounce the Contagion engine and counter it when it goes to replay it. Also, I've got a Trinket Mage to block his Clone Shell this turn. Fume Spitter. Well, that sucks. Am I dead? Not totally. I'm not, because I can block some things. Okay. Let's see if he does it correctly. It is hard to use the contagion engine. I hope it presses OK. No, it didn't. Okay. His draws have been quite good as well. At least I can block something with this guy. And block I have to. And go down to how do I survive this? If I draw I don't even know how to survive this. I'm so far behind. Yeah. I suppose there's some way in which I can survive, but I can't see it right now. Glinthawk, let's see here. If I play the Glinthawk when put into graveyard. Okay. Yes. Return that. If I'd had one more land, I could have survived until he goes to do ridiculous stuff with his contagion engine again. Because then I would have had the possibility of proliferating and killing this guy. Yeah, as you can see, I'll die next turn unless he does something really stupid, and I doubt that he will. Well, this was a game where my deck really performed poorly. I think that I had a very good chance again to beat him, but I just didn't draw like the Glinthawks and the early artifacts that I needed to do anything against his deck. Like 2 spells and 5 lands doesn't cut it. So he wins this turn, and yeah, that's it. I'm dead. Yeah.